Good morning. Good morning. Do good morning. Good morning. He was meant to be following me. It's brunch day. I love my little fires. I'm so cute. He just does not stop following me around. Like, he's got problems and he has to, I need to put you up somewhere higher. I've Kenya-fied him, which is exactly what I wanted to do, I can't lie. Like, obviously we have King and Kenya. They're both very different dogs. And I have Kenya-fied him. He just wants to be with me. He just wants to be cuddled. Just tinted my eyebrows and done my wispy eyelashes. These are the Tatty lashes. They're honestly so easy to do. You need to try them. I have them all linked over on my TikTok, so definitely check them out. But I'm really late now. Everyone's meeting at 1 o'clock and I'm not going to be there, so yeah, love that for me. There is a documentary. Hi everybody. So I actually forgot to film. However, we are at where are we, Emily? We're at Turtle Bay, darling. Turtle Bay. Darling. You know, she was on live the other day saying, oh, people are calling their kids roots. She got her vagina out and she also effed herself with a hairbrush on live, so. No, not even a vagina, it's her anus. Chelsea Leah. Yeah, that's right. Me and my sister always say to each other, like, she's fucked herself in the arse with a hairbrush on live. She's like known for being a bit different. It's different, and then there's fucking car. And me and my sister, whenever we go to Roots Nuts, so we go, oh, stunning. I also think of Alphabet. Oh, mate, all filling, no jam. All filling and no jam. There was just a girl smoking a joint in the toilet of where we were. Like, sorry. Past the touch on the left hand side. I don't even know where I'm going. And we grassed them up to the bouncer. Reporting kids don't do drugs. We grassed them up to the bouncer. And yeah. Holly said, yeah, it was a girl in the pink crop top. All feeling no jam. All feeling no jam. Wait, that's actually, if we see her answer, you'll see what I mean. All feeling no jam. All feeling no jam. Oh, that door's locked, honey. Yeah. She's in a hot pink top with like a shitty rose on it. Like, you'll know who it is. Don't darling. Pink lemonade, please, by the phone. Darling. That's such a nice queuing. Chloe was already in there. Chloe's in the far end toilet. This drama. They were all busy. Chloe's in the end. I'm queuing. And then there's the pink donut girl. And she went, do anyone mind if I spark this up? So I was smoking a fucking joint in the toilet. I was like, right. Class and decorum, babe. Who knows it? And she started smoking for like fucking reeks in here. And then her friend was in the middle toilet. I was going, Chloe! Jess! And then her mate come in the toilet. So they both went into the cubicle. Doobie and the girl in the toilet, went in. And then as Chloe's coming out, middle cubicle comes out.
So I've obviously gone to make a beeline for Chloe's toilet, so I don't want the cesspit toilet they've been in.
Yeah.
And then she's gone to go in Chloe's toilet. I went, no, you've just been to the fucking toilet. I'm going in there. And she looked at me and went, oh, but a toilet. I went, no, babe, I'm going in the toilet. I've queued. And then all I could hear was like, why is she getting fucking Larry? And she's going to Chloe, why are you getting Larry? Right. And all of a sudden it's boom, 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 on my toilet door going boom, 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 boom.
I'm not being afraid, Chloe's probably the most Larry one I would have. I'm surprised she didn't fucking start saying
I'd have opened the toilet, trousers down, you know, and I would have nutted them all, honestly, I'm with you.
Literally, just go to a supermarket in Stamford and go.
Oh, this is
Like I lose.
just getting some gluten free.
Not nice. I'm just saying.
I do have two Galaxy gluten-free cookies left at home if you want them.
Take you to the freezers.
I want some fries to go and some birdside chicken dippers.
The fries to go. She's been past them. She's girl on a mission. Amy Coombes.
No, they're in the frozen. No, I get them regularly. Right, bird's eye. These are my favourite. Well, I've been the worst vlogger in the world, haven't I? Haven't I, crazy boozy? My camera is actually condensationed up. When do you not have hiccups? This puppy has hiccups about 25 times a day. Haven't you? Why you always got hiccups, my little chicken nugget? Anyway, I was a bit hungover. Like, I literally got home. I don't know what's going on. My camera's been in my car. There is condensation on the lens. Slightly better, but yeah, I basically just didn't even film over the entirety of the weekend apart from Saturday because I got drunk, and well, not even drunk but just a bit drunk, and then I just had the worst headache and I was asleep by like 10. This boy just wants to be near me. Oh, hiccup boy. Oh, I love you. This is just going to keep condensating until the camera's warmed up. So I'm going to go, but this is the state of the flat. I've literally taken my last bits and bobs now. Oh my gosh, stop it. Yeah, I've taken my last bits and bobs. So I'm just literally trying to... I've got another bag of clothes in my car. I've got all my bags of shoes. More bags of clothes, bags over there, but I need to get my wardrobe sorted, but I have planned it. Let me show you. I have planned on the packs, so I obviously got quotes, didn't I? Where did I put my phone? Cruisies. I obviously got quotes. So, I think I'm going to go doors to keep it neat. That is it. What are we thinking? Or I did do this one. This is open though. Don't mind it open, but it just then has to be so neat and tidy, doesn't it? So yeah, there we go. Just made the most banging 20 out of 10 salad. Did forget coleslaw, but that's fine. This is even healthier. Right, so I've been looking for my camera for the longest time and I actually left it at Harley's, so he's just dropped it off. But I was waiting for the BT man this morning because I was going to get my Wi-Fi fitted, and then he had to go outside to check on like the pole or something to get something fitted. I am dressed, by the way, I've got my gym stuff on, I'm just cold. And he didn't come back, and I was like, is he coming back? What's going on? So then I rang the number that he rang me on, and he was like, oh yeah, no, like, The poles are all mixed up, it can't be done. Like, was you not going to tell me that you weren't coming back? I'm just sitting here waiting. Like, I had a time slot from 8 AM till 1 PM as well, and I was just sitting there waiting. Like, it was like, yeah, we'll come back in a few days. And I'm thinking, great, well, that's even longer with no Wi-Fi, and more time that I'm going to have to try and not, like, make sure I'm in, which is so annoying. But it is what it is. Anyway, I've got to go pick up my duvet today. That has got delivered at Waitrose down the road, so I need to go and do that. And I was going to order, I think I'm just going to have to order it. It will get delivered on Saturday. I'm not doing anything on Saturday, so that is fine. But a wardrobe, I've decided that I'm going to do my wardrobes myself. Like, I'm just going to bite the bullet and do it myself. I've got such a needy dog. I've never known someone that's so needy. Come on then. Come on then. Like, literally just has to be near me and cries if he's not, which is really sad. But yeah, so I'm gonna do it myself, but because it is like expensive, I'm just gonna buy it in bits. So the first bit that I really need is the shelving unit, so I can display my shoes and bags, because at the moment they are the one thing that are all in boxes as well. I mean, it would be good to get some drawers, because I've got lots of stuff that needs to go in drawers, but that one's going to be a little bit more expensive. So, and I need to kind of work out the feng shui with it all, like in the units and making it work with the doors and opening it and enough space, etc, etc. But I think I'm going to go with the plan that I showed you. So I'm going to order that. It's so annoying. It's £150 without lighting, and I'm going to get lighting for it. I just don't know what lighting I'm going to get yet. I need to work it out for the best price. So I'm going to just do it without lighting and sort the lighting out after. But it's 150. I can collect it today, but I haven't got anything to collect it in, which is so annoying. Or it's 190 delivered, but not until Saturday. And I'm like, oh, I really tried to find someone to help me get it here for today, but it's just not going to happen as much as I want it to. So I'm just going to have to pay 190 quid on her and just bite the bullet. It is what it is. Great. Hello everybody. So I was very close to ending the vlog yesterday, and when I didn't, and I thought, you know what, I'm going for dinner. This is like a 2-week vlog. Actually, I don't know when I started last week. Maybe I started on a Wednesday. Can't remember. Also, I wish I put mascara on my under eye, for fuck's sake. Oh well. But yeah, I'm going to work. Then I'm going to meet my friend Ella. I might pop home in between. It depends on her timings. But yeah, so going to work. Going to meet my friend Ella. We're going to get pictures. We're getting a well, we're doing 2 outfits, because we was like, we want to catch up, but we want to also take a picture. So we're doing 2 outfits, which is just, I'm just literally wearing a tracksuit, and then for dinner I'll obviously get changed and then get another picture. You know, content live, I sorted my Instagram out. I don't know if I told you, but my Instagram wasn't pushing me to anyone. It wasn't reputable. I wouldn't appear on the explore page. I wouldn't appear on searches. If you wanted to find my profile, you'd have to type in my exact username. But I sorted all of that out, so now I feel like I should really start pushing content on Instagram. So that is what I'm going to do. She says, will I? Probably not. But yeah, I'm going to take you along filming. I'm going to get a coffee, and we're going rocker for dinner. I'm so excited to eat some sushi. Oh my gosh, cannot wait. So yeah, super excited about that. But work first. Right, well, it's just me and you then, isn't it? Because Ella's late. Ella is L to the A to the T to the E. She's late. So yeah, it's just pretty much me and you. You and me, it's just us, baby. Money. Some money for my dinner tonight. Put it in my bag. I found £10 in this bag. That's obviously from the weekend. Thank you so much. Love that for me. I went to Primark earlier and I forgot, because again I was killing time, because originally Ella said that her ETA was, she said her ETA was like 5:30. So I got here for 5:30 and her ETA is now 6:10. So I've just been kind of dilly-daddling around. But I went into Primark and I did get this really nice like oatmeal set, and I also got the baby pink. Not that you can even see that it's baby pink. Can you see that that's baby pink? Anyway, I got baby pink. And I also got this lip liner, has been raved about by a girl that I follow. And she's like, she says how good it is and stuff. It's toast. And ever since I saw that she wore it, I was like, I need to try that, because that looks such a nice lip combo she wears. So I finally picked it up. I'm not going to be able to open it now, am I? It's just going to be great. But I would like to try it out. It was only £1. Oh, I'm never going to be able to get into this. It's not really going how I wanted it to. Can't get it off. Why do they not just have the fucking dotted lines? Oh my god, you've just watched 4 minutes of me trying to open a lip liner. Oh. Sweet Jesus. This is the colour. It's giving Strip Down from MAC. Let's see. Very creamy. I feel like it's really blending in with what I'm already wearing. I don't know if it was worth all that stress that I just went through. Hey ho. Hey to the ho to the uh-oh. Where's my normal lip liner? So they've actually discontinued the lip liner that I wear. Let's compare them side by side. Which is Frenchie. To be fair, the colours are not far off. Frenchie's a tiny bit pinker. But they have discontinued it, which is great. I don't think I've ever gone through a lip liner so quick in my life. Which is really annoying actually. So my current lip combo, I always put, can you tell that I'm in an underground car park with no fucking signal, just trying to buy some time? NARS Orgasm. So this lip balm. Yeah, Afterglow lip balm. Makes it a little bit pinky. And then I go in with a bit of Fenny Glow, just for a glow. I do want Smeek Mouth. I keep forgetting to put it in my bag. My mum got me a new one for Christmas. Come drive with me, come drive away. Yeah, some lovely cars down here, like Aston Martins, Porsches, G-Wags, and then there's my car with the... Is the steering wheel really more important than me? Is that how we're playing it? That's what I thought so. That's exactly what I thought. Right guys, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.
Dinner is served. I'm so excited. Ella is here, finally. I sat in my car, I had no signal. I sat in the car like, right guys, it's just me and you. Got a little rosé. We've got loads of food to come, but this is ching ching. I'm actually crying because we're getting changed again and Ella's over there in the car. And I'm over here in mine and we just both popped up to see. I'm trying to get it so that you can see her if she pops up again. That is so funny.